Hey grade 7s, here's your mission 1 reminder here. When solving equations, what we first want to remember is if we have any subtraction and addition, we want to use inverse operations to remove those so that all we have left are the variables. So if we had an example like x plus 3 is equal to 11, then plus 3, adding 3 is the operation, and we want to do the inverse of that. The inverse of adding 3 is to subtract 3. But if we subtract 3 from one side, we need to remember algebra rule number 1, which is whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must also do to the other side of the equation. So we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. When we do that, 3 minus 3 on the left-hand side is going to cancel out. Don't forget to line up your equal sign before you write your next step so that when 3 minus 3 cancels out, all we're left with is x, and 11 minus 3 is 8. So we've solved for x by doing the inverse of addition, which is subtraction. If we see that again, another example, if we had a subtraction and minus 6 equal to negative 5, for instance, our operation is going to be subtracting 6. The opposite of subtracting 6, the inverse of that, is to add 6, and we need to do that to both sides. If we add 6 to both sides and line up our equal sign down the middle, then a negative 6 plus 6 on the left-hand side, those are going to cancel out, and we're going to be left with n. And negative 5 plus 6 is equal to 1. Don't forget, you can use your calculators, and you should be, to check your work. Hopefully most of us are finishing with mission 1 now, and we're moving on to mission 2.